Hey, I want you to imagine this. You sit down, power up your setup, and everything happens instantly. No waiting, no lag, no hope it'll catch up. That moment of total responsiveness, where your machine feels like an extension of your intent instead of an obstacle, is exactly what this EVO-T1 delivers. This is for the kind of person who feels performance, the gamer who notices stutter before anyone else does, the creator who hates waiting on renders, the multitasker who deserves gear that keeps pace with ambition. You've tolerated delays long enough to know what smooth really feels like, and once you feel it, anything less starts to feel like compromise. Before we go any further, take a moment to check the current price and stock. High-end mini systems like this one tend to move fast once serious users start upgrading. You know that moment when your old rig slows in the exact place you don't want it to, a spike in a firefight, a render pause right before you deliver, or dozens of apps open and the machine just asks you to wait? That's the realization that you've outgrown compromise. You don't want more power for bragging, you want it because your performance finally deserves it. When you power on the EVO-T1, the difference isn't just numbers on a spec sheet, it's a felt shift. Everything responds instantly. Clicking, loading, switching tasks, it all feels sharp, controlled, and intentional. You're not waiting for software to catch up with you. You're in the flow. That's the emotional payoff of real performance, the kind that becomes second nature. Picture this, pushing AAA games at smooth, confident rates, visuals crisp and motion clean across up to 4 8K displays. Then picture heavy workflows, editing, rendering, big multitasking sessions, and this machine just keeps pace, cool and composed instead of chasing its tail. That's not theoretical speed, that's felt speed, the kind that changes how every session feels. And once you experience that level of responsiveness and confidence, anything weaker starts to feel like a slowdown you don't want to return to. You don't miss waiting once it's gone. Don't let hesitation over price swings or stock fades hold you back. Machines this capable don't linger at favorable value. When demand spikes, they move quickly. If your thinking size might limit performance, that's exactly where this machine surprises: compact, powerful, and poised to deliver desktop-class capability without taking over your space. And here's something most people don't talk about until after they upgrade: when your hardware finally keeps up with you, your confidence in every task rises. You sit down ready to do, not waiting for the machine to catch up. You feel instant responsiveness the moment it boots. You enjoy fluid performance across games and apps. You notice zero hesitation under heavy workloads. You appreciate how composed it stays under pressure. You feel proud owning power that keeps up with you. It's a premium mini that needs good ventilation. Extreme modders might prefer bespoke custom cooling at some point. You stop comparing endless builds and choose what feels right. You choose the system you already knew you wanted once you felt what true responsiveness feels like. If you're ready to leave wait times and compromise behind, check the GMKtec EVO-T1 availability now. This is the kind of upgrade you'll be glad you didn't delay.